I have been feeling a sense of heaviness in my relationship with my husband, almost like something is weighing me down emotionally. Why am I feeling this way, and what could be the deeper reasons behind it? Let's explore this through the BodyMaitre system, which helps us understand how the four bodies, spiritual, mental, emotional, and physical, contribute to the challenges we face in life and relationships. What is heaviness in a relationship? Heaviness in a relationship often feels like an invisible weight between two people. It can show up as emotional exhaustion, a lack of energy, or a sense that you are carrying burdens that don't fully belong to you. In BodyMaitre, we don't just look at surface level problems. Instead, we dive into the four subtle bodies to identify the real root causes. Spiritual body, psychic hook, individual. In the spiritual body, we identify psychic hooks. These are unseen energetic cords or attachments between you and your husband. When the psychic hooks form, they can create dependencies, control, or draining dynamics. It feels like heavy because part of your spiritual energy is being pulled or entangled rather than flowing freely. Mental body archetypes the victim. In the mental body, the pattern reveals is the victim archetype. This is when part of the mind defaults to feeling powerless, controlled, or unfairly treated. In relationships, this might show up as believing I can't change things or I have no choice. These thought patterns add to the sense of heaviness because they lock you into cycles of blame and helplessness. Emotional body, rejected, naive, blocked to capable. In the emotional body, we found three key patterns: feeling rejected, a deep wound of not being accepted or valued; naive, trusting too easily or overlooking important truths; blocked to capable, a barrier that prevents you from feeling strong and competent in the relationship. Together, these emotions create inner conflicts. On one hand, you want love and connections, but on the other, these feelings limit your confidence and resilience. Physical body, weakened chi flow. In the spiritual body, the heaviness manifests as weakened chi flow. Chi is the life force energy. When it's blocked or weakened, you may feel fatigue, body tensions, or physical sluggishness. This physical drain mirrors what is happening in the spiritual, mental, and emotional bodies. So when we put it all together, heaviness in her relationship with her husband isn't just one issue, it's a multi-layer pattern across the four bodies. Spiritual body, psychic hooks create energetic entanglement. Mental body, the victim archetype, fosters powerlessness. Emotional body, rejections, naivety, and feeling blocked from capability weaken confidence. Physical body, chi flow is weakened, making the body feel drained. The BodyMaitre systems reveal that relationship heaviness is not random. It's the reflections of multiple inner and outer patterns working together. By identifying and clearing these patterns, you can begin to restore lightness, flow, and balance in your relationship.